Let us learn the letters.
This is the letter U. It makes the sound. A.
Umbrella. Up.
This is the letter V. It makes the V sound. V, V, V.
V. V. Vase. V. V. Violin.
This is the letter W. It makes the W sound. W, W, W.
Water. Woman. Look at the picture and choose big U, big V, or big W. Does under begin with a, v, or w? Does woman begin with a, v, or w? Does wash begin with a, v, or w? Does vase begin with a, v, or w? Look at the picture and choose small u, small v, or small w. Does violin begin with a, v, or w? Does umbrella begin with a, v, or w? Does water begin with a, v, or w?